Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could see a change? I know I have. For years, I struggled, trying every diet and workout fad out there. But what really changed the game for me wasn't some magic pill. It was consistency and the right knowledge. And today, I want to share exactly what worked for me and what can work for you too. This is more than just a transformation photo. It's a lifestyle change that gave me back my energy and confidence. So, let's cut through the noise. What are the best exercises for fat loss? Forget spending hours on the treadmill. The secret is compound movements. These are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, which means you burn more calories in less time. My top 3 are squats, deadlifts, and push-up. Squats are the king of leg exercises, building strength and torching calories. Deadlifts work your entire back, glutes, and hamstrings, sculpting your body like nothing else. And push-ups, whether on your knees or toes, are fantastic for your chest, shoulders, and core. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions a week, focusing on good form over heavy weight. Now, you've probably heard this a million times, but you can't out-train a bad diet. Exercise is only half the battle. So, what should you eat? It's simpler than you think. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. My plate is always filled with lean protein like chicken or fish. Tons of colorful vegetables and healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. Protein is key because it helps you feel full and builds muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism. And let's talk about carbs. Don't be afraid of them. Just choose the right ones. Think sweet potatoes, brown rice, and oats. These give you sustained energy for your workouts and daily life. The biggest tip I can give you is to stop drinking your calories. Sodas, sugary juices, and fancy coffees are often packed with hundreds of empty calories that sabotage your progress. Stick to water, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be good days and bad days. The key is to stay consistent, not perfect. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Just get back on track with your next meal or your next workout. This transformation is about more than just losing fat. It's about gaining strength, health, and a new sense of self. You have the power to change your life, starting today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building a healthier, stronger you. See you in the next one.